Hola, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today. Today, the first thing you're going to do is to report your attendance right here. And then you're going to Actividad Inicial, and you have a photo. For the photo, I recorded a question. It says, record the answers to the following question. You're going to respond to this one accordingly. So let's listen.
Soy la señora Vaz. Yo soy trabajadora. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo eres?
So all those words are in your vocabulary. If you don't know what I'm asking, you can ask me during class and I will help you. But I think that you understand, and they are in your vocabulary list. And it's all related to our new chapter. Let's go to the next one. You're going to have your video right here, the one that I'm recording now. And then you have these 4 activities that are on Spanish.com. I put your information here just in case that you need it, the login information, and it's going to take you here. This is the first one. You probably remember we just drop this here, and then we find the one that matches and drop it here, and it's going to tell you here. If you make a mistake, then it's going to tell you that you have a mistake, and then it's giving you your score. If you want to restart, you just need to close it and restart it so you can get the full credit. That is based on the vocabulary. The next one. In this one, you're going to put the correct form of the adjective. How do you put that? Remember that we said that we had to match the noun and the adjective. So if the noun is masculine, the adjective has to have the masculine form, and if it's feminine, it has to have the feminine form. So for example, in this case, that is a girl, if I put trabajador, that is the masculine form, it's not going to turn green, but as soon as I put the feminine form, it turns green. So you're going to do that. You're going to give me your score. Please be sure that when you take screenshots for the scores, you show some part of, if not all the activity, the page, then part of the activity. So I can see that that is the result for that. If I don't see that is the activity, then I'm not going to give you credit for that one. Let's see what it tells me here. Yeah. Okay. So you have the next one. The next one is similar to the last one, but it's in English. So you need to find the meaning in Spanish, how to say it in Spanish, and then check again if it's the feminine or masculine form. And then the last one is just some words that you have learned, and it's asking you to give you the expressions in Spanish. How do you say these things in Spanish? So it has some of the vocabulary from last time and some of this vocabulary. The other one is this Actividad 1B-2. So you're going to put your name. Notice that I'm giving points for you. Oh, Miss Bass is giving us points. Yes, because some of you don't write the name the right way. So last name, first name, and that's how it goes here. Last name and first name. Not just random name or how my mommy calls me or how my neighbor calls me or grandma calls me. It's the real name, please, so I can find you. And then you check the grade level. Be sure that you check the right one. And then this is your first part. So here it says, each picture represents a personality trait. Unscramble the word to identify each trait. Do not use capital letters because it's going to mark you wrong if you use capital letters. It's just adjective, so you don't need capital letters. So you get the word, I give you a hint here, and then you put the right word here. Okay? Be sure that you use the special characters. I even put them there. Be sure that you use the special characters and you use your vocabulary. You need to look at your vocabulary. Be sure that you spell it right. Be sure that you don't leave any space before the word, after the word, because you know how it marks you wrong. Okay, and then the second part, I need to fill this to be able to show you the second part. For the second part, you're just going to choose the right picture. I give you the word and you choose the right picture. It's the same words, excuse me. It's the same words you have here. Oh, it's the same words that you have here. You just need to choose the right. So, for example, you have the word here and then you you say if it's the one in the left or in the one on the right, and then you mark it, and then you submit, and that's all. That's all the work we have for today. And at the end, we will have our participation grade like last class, because I like that. So you need to stay connected until the end so you can get your participation grade. I'm not sure if we're gonna do the Quizlet again for the participation grade, but I'll come up with something to give you 10 points for staying there. I'll see you during class. Adios.